Packout rolling tool chest, weight 38.4 pounds. Country of origin, area Israel, 48 22 84 28. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and like, so help out this channel by doing so. Huge, basically for bigger tools, for rotary hammers, smaller tools like drills and all that. But if you have a lot, it's a good way to keep them in. Use this on the back of your truck. You can lock this by, does have some locks on both sides with metal reinforced on both sides, so you're not able to open it. So it's a good way to lock your tools on the back of your truck. Obviously, keep the honest people honest. You know, you're gonna be able to put a cable through here, some sort of chain on both of the handles. Some nice big wheels. They are about 9 inches, 38 and a half. I'll say about 38 and a half by 23 and a half. 15 and a half, 15 and 3/4. So 15 and 3/4. It's a pretty big box. It's actually meant for like the bigger tools. I got a whole bunch of tools, so I'm gonna go ahead and store them here. It is compatible with the Packout, so you can set a full box right here and a full box right there. This is a Packout crate. So it locks into place. I got my Packout vacuum. This is the M18 Packout vacuum. Alright, so everything is facing that way. That's where the handles go, so everything's going to be facing that way. You can put your hand in through here and unlock it if you feel you need to do that. So I really like this part. You do got some space. Of course, it's limited, but you are able to get your hand in there. It's a Packout light. So you got a Packout light here. You guys do see there? So this one, you are able to put it, you know, latch it in. Four halves or 2 full Packouts. So just depending on what you're going to be doing. All right, so you are able to just, you know, grab it, lift it from here, and then just go. It does have a nice beefy handle. So you guys do see here. Towards the bottom, so you can lift this with your hand. Normal height. And get on your way, you know. Like I said, you're gonna go through here. You're gonna take that off. This one, you're gonna go through here, take it off. Same thing with this one. You lift it up from here. Obviously, you can put this, you know, get some more leverage. That's the way the bottom looks like. You got some nice reinforced plastic on all corners. Nice reinforced plastic here. And like I said, you are able to stand it up like so. If you want to stand this up in a corner on the garage, you are able to just stand it up like so, you know, lean it against the garage, so that way it doesn't take a lot of space. Yeah, I would definitely stand it up like this though, with the wheels facing forward. That way you can just go like this. Take it like a dolly, so the handle goes all the way in here. Plus you do got some metal. The lid is plastic with metal inside. These are big beefy latches. Open it through here. It does have a lock in here, so it doesn't, it releases. So when you open it up, it locks into place because this is big and heavy. It does have a lock here. You press this button here and it releases, and then you can close it. But other than that, it does have some mounting points. You know, you're mounting your chargers, whatever. Same thing with this. It's all over the lid here. Reinforced plastic here for the lid in case you want to put the heavy Packout on the top. Reinforced plastic of the box. An organizer. This is a really nice organizer. Does have some literature there on the bottom. Just put organizer with a nice handle. You're able to put this on both sides. It latches in on either side. Show you guys the inside of the box. So that's the way it looks. Like I said, it does have reinforcements on all the walls. 12.5 from the bottom floor to the wall. Alright, side by side, you're gonna get about 32.25. Just keep in mind that here at the bottom you got the wheels, and then you got the slant. It goes to slant like that. You got about 20.25. I'm just gonna go in from the inside measurement because this is the thinnest part. So from the inside it's 19.5. Press the button, let it latch in. And on the back it does have a nice beefy handle. Really beefy handle. Does have some nice beefy stops. Like I said, you guys could stand this box. Plastic, some sort of rubber plastic. Got a bar, nice thick bar. The comment section, what do you guys think about this? I really do like it. I think it's gonna, you know, help me out with my storage. Especially if, like I said, if you want to put something like this on the back of your truck, you can just stand it up and lean it against the truck and then just pick it up if it's gonna be heavy. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.